Welcome to Timberland Farms. My name's Anthony. Behind me is my 2018 Ram 2500 Crew Cab, and I was kindly sent some seat covers by Hudasource. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can purchase these yourself. So far, I'm very impressed with these seat covers, but let's see what they look like inside. And first, you're getting a sneak peek of these, but we need to unbox these and go over my first impressions of these things. So this is how the seat covers were shipped. We'll get them open, see what they look like. It even comes with a nice bag. That's actually kind of cool. Wow. Custom fit seat covers. Wow, these are actually really nice. Wow. These must be the seat bottoms. They're even perforated, so then you can use your cooled seats if you got them, which this truck has. So that'll be nice. Here's the seat backs. It's even got pouches in the back. It's got two of them. That's nice. This goes on the passenger side of the back seat. Here's a closer look. If it'll focus. It's actually pretty nice. The stitching's well hidden. We got a cool pattern right here. That's nice. Here's the installation book. Well, the installation book here makes it look like it's pretty easy. Instructions are well thought out, and they're perfect for a person like me that usually skips over the words and goes right to the pictures. Just the pictures explain it very, very well. But let's get to it. We'll start off on the passenger front seat. These are my seats. I got heated, cooled leather seats, and I want to try my best to preserve this leather. And before we get too carried away, there's a couple oil stains here that I want to get addressed. I usually use these Lexol leather cleaner and conditioners. This is the cleaner, and then this is the conditioner spray. So instructions say to take this whole entire thing, stick it in here, and then rotate it. Oh, that firmly attaches in there. I'm surprised. And do that 2 more times. There's just a couple little holes here. That zipper might help us. Now it looks like we tucked these guys underneath the seat. There's the headrest. Here are a couple of buckles on the corners. And we have to apply the hooks. And now we got our hooks. Let's see. Here's the seat covers installed. These actually fit really nice. They're nice and tight. They don't really slide around anywhere. Definitely got enough securement to hold them in place. Now we can move on to the back. So here's the seat cover for the back. On the passenger side, it folds out extra long because it's a 60-40 split on the seats here. For these guys, it's a little different. You grab your first strap here, and you grab this guy and feed this through, and then buckle it. So this is a seat back. They actually zip together, and you can connect the other side to it. Here's what this side looks like. And now I can continue on with the other side. Here's all these seat covers installed. They fit really nicely. I even got a zipper to link all three of these back panels together. Very secure. Well, I'm very impressed with these seat covers. If you want seat covers like this for your 4th gen Rams, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can pick up seat covers like this. These are like very high quality. They're probably pretty strong, pretty rugged to help protect these seats for a long, long time. And that's what I'm looking for. And they don't look like they're going to slide around. So got to check all my boxes. But I hope to see you in the next video.